What's up, guys? This is T here, and I just came on because I bought me some boho locks. I know I came on before and I said I'm gonna try the other hair. This one, I didn't. Okay, but I finally broke down and bought me some boho locks. I got the Storm Bob length, and it's the, as you can see, it's gray. Nothing's gonna match me exactly. You see that, guys? You see? I can still make it work. It's kind of hard to find the color that really matches this. Like, you come across it, but it's not a lot of options. It's not a lot of options. And they give you the wavy hair to go along with it. So I sectioned my hair off in 2 sections, and I'm going to say this once. This is not a tutorial. I'm so bad at explaining stuff. So I made the little box plaits and connected them, as you can see. I part a little section for the very back of it. Then I plaited like a few of those back there, as you can see it. Then I connected them to my cornrows, which were huge. Oh my gosh, I didn't think they were gonna be that big. I didn't like it at all. So connected all together, and I kind of crocheted the ends of the cornrows into each other. That didn't last. Okay, guys, this is the final look with the boho locks. So I know it looked like this part is huge, but with the gray hair, it makes it look even wider on top of these knots. The next time I will do singles, like the box braids. I think that would be better because it just gives me more versatility. Or I just pay somebody to do it because they know what they're doing. Because the method I tried, I know it works, but I don't know. I don't know. I didn't like it, so I took it all out, as you can see. And later on, put a little bob wig to go to the store. Came back home, put in some 2-strand twist. And then I said, bunk it. Let me just try to attach the boho locks as individuals. And here's part of the look. And I started playing with different hairstyles with it, and this is as far as I got, guys. So let me know what you think. All right, down in the comments. Thank you. Bye.